we going?
Chengwatana.
How's the pinky looking? Pinky your way up to there. So like 2 miles to the river.
6. How far away do we have to camp from a trail? Question.
It's like 50 feet.
Are you sure?
No. But who's coming to get me?
I just want to follow the rules.
Since when?
Shut up.
Bluebirds are dickheads. They eat babies.
Did you get water?
I got water. Straight from the source. So I think we just do this, give it a little clipper, and then this would like hang up on a tree. It smells like shit. Why don't you just take out some other stuff first, instead of the biggest thing? Did you fall over?
No.
You're not happy about it, huh?
I'm hungry.
Holy shit, that's tiny. Oh my god. It's unbelievable. I don't know how these work. I think you turn this. Yep. Whoa! Holy shit. I think it works.
That should be it right there. That seems like a lot.
If you say so.
Hell yeah.
Where'd you go?
Down here.
Yeah, right there. Whoa!
Just go down on your butt.
What do we got?
It's like a twisty all the way up.
What do you think? I think we found the spot.
It's pretty dope. I still feel like the ghosts of those people are going to come back to haunt us though.
Assholes. I hope they really, really want those clothes. You know, that's the price you pay for.
Maybe we should take them.
You really gonna steal these random gross clothes? Oh yeah. Ooh. 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 These are bizarre. got these T-junctions.
That'd be small though.
Oh, I do be small.
That is so small.
But like, there's like a, oh, I forgot. We can't, I guess we, oh, Jesus Christ!
What? What?
There's a gargantuan spider over there.
Where? Oh, that is so fucking lame.
Hey, what if this is their stuff? How you doing?
Hi, sorry, we left some of our stuff here.
Yeah, we were wondering. We put it up in that tree
Oh,
right there.
thank you.
You weren't hoping to camp here, were you?
No.
Okay, okay, good.
We're camping back at the campsite over
Oh,
there,
nice.
but
Okay, cool.
We walked by here and this looked awesome.
Yeah.
Really pretty. Thank you.
Yep.
Bye.
Have a good one. We made it. We're alive.
We almost got shot, but they decided that we were too skinny to eat, so the guys with the guns left, and they took their clothes. So probably there's not a ghost here.
They were nice.
I don't know why I was so scared.
Jesus fucking Christ.
You think this will do it?
Yeah. Use that big old log and stomp it. I'll pull.
Oh yeah, look at that.
She's dead, alright. What do you think?
Pretty big. That'll do us.
I'll do it.
Ew.
Get those babies ready. Oh yeah. Get some good wood. We got a fire. Beautiful.
I'm hungry again.
You're hungry again? Well, you want to have a Belvita with dippers?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll get them.
Only 2 zone limits.
I gotta make a little short for your dad. The trail mix. So, I'm just sitting here eating some decadent cracker. You know, it's nice.
Calibrated, period. One of them was too old and had to be replaced, comma, and the other was able to be calibrated, comma. I'm not sure when that one was purchased, but probably is a couple years old, period. Sorry, I can't help more, exclamation point. You could maybe ask Zach too, question mark.
What are you talking about?
So yeah, fuck you, I got fired.
That.
punky.
Punky?
You a punk?
Hey, you punky. You're a little honky punky.
Be your turn next.
They're up close actually. Sports ones.
It's for dinks.
You can't see that.
Wow.
Wait, that's done.
Dink stands for double income, no kids.
Yeah, I was thinking of that.
It would be really crazy if I said that.
Did you get pine needles?
Yeah, boy.
Is that enough? Didn't it say you needed like 3 cups?
Maybe you should get a couple more handfuls.
Is it bedtime?
Yeah.
Are you gonna have a cozy?
You're gonna make the
Good night, Margaret.
Good night.
I always feel so disheveled when I wake up from tenting.
Yeah.
Like my hat is like probably turned all the way around somehow. My underwear is probably inside out. Like
I'm wearing a weird yellow jacket.
I'm wearing my dad's jacket, which is like at least like 40 times too big. It's nice out here though. Blueberry City.
Oh yeah.
Whoa. Are you blowing your nose with a leaf?
Yeah.
That's hardcore, dude.
Seems like a great way to get my boots wet. Yep. Oh. Okay. Cat.
Yes, you look like a fierce predator. Ready to strike. I'm about to do a triple flick back walk over. Huh?
Nice.
Now watch. Ow. Great form on that one. Time to go.
The only thing is this rope.
All right, let's go get the rope. Ow, my eye.
Oh no.
Oh, you flapped me.
Oh no.
Oh.
Sorry.
Look at that stupid rope. It's a whole new level of backpacking. Okay, let's go.
Whoa.
What are you doing up there?
You flapped me.
It's only fair. I have no memory of this place. Wrong way. We have to go that way.